Hey guys, here we are. I'm on my way to another call. Been talking to a customer. Our numbers are lining up, and this is why these people are going to get their job within 4 months. Permit ready. They've called us before they've talked to a general contractor. They've called us before they've talked to a designer. This means that we go in and we just start doing the drawings. This particular job, if I remember correctly, is a kitchen relocation. It's a little bathroom reno. It has some walls that are moving, a set of stairs that are moving, and a couple of windows. Now, we can turn this project around tops 3 weeks. I'm going to try for 2, but 3 weeks I'm going to give myself. It means that in 3 weeks, I'm going to have the permits submitted. Here's the great part. Now, with those drawings, the customer's going out and talking to general contractors and talking to designers. And they've got 3 months, approximately 12 weeks, until the city of Vancouver approves those drawings. I know what you're going to say, Costa. What if there's changes? What if they want to relocate things? What if the designer comes up with something fantastic, the interior designer, and she wants to add arches or different kind of windows? Not a problem. What ends up happening is we submit a change request, typically a 2 to 3 day turnaround instead of weeks, because now once the permit is in play and you've got a permit, you've got priority. So there's no delay there at all. And that's how we help customers get their permits faster. My name is Costa. The company's called Archibald, and we love building permits and construction drawings. Give us a shout. Like the kids say, do a little like and subscribe, wherever it is, up here, down there. Cheers. Have a nice day.